if you want to enable, use and customize your now bar on your Samsung Galaxy A56, well, it's quite easy to do. First of all, let's open up our settings. Let's scroll down to our lock screen in AOD. And first of all, press always on display and make sure that your show now bar option is enabled. Now press on now bar, and first of all you can adjust your live notifications from some applications. So you can, if you want to have notifications from that and see it in the now bar, simply tap on the switch. Also you can adjust your media player in current mode if you want to. With that you can control your media and your current modes from your now bar, right? So if you don't want to use your now bar anymore, you are simply to press always on display, show now bar, and basically that's it. That's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.